back on the roads again after a long time. So heading to the first meeting point. There Venkat will join me, and from there we will go to Begumpet.
Been on this route before, Nagarjunasagar. So it's not going to be like a highway or anything. It'll be like a max two-way double lane this thing. You can expect quite a bit. Suddenly they'll come and windy, man. Like you guys lucky, man. Mine is a RX100. Wind blast, I feel it like crazy.
Do you think extender will work for you?
Ento anta boy, not more than a point. Bro, I'm putting my camera here. If I put it here, no, my helmet. Lazy wind blast. And it directly controls.
So out of the city. Some vibration noise is coming. I'm not sure from where it is coming. Let me get it checked. So we are still 104 kilometers to cover. The time is showing around 2 hours. So hope we should reach there by 9. Or if we take any tea breaks in between, half an hour more. Last time we came through this route when we were going to that Yelleswaragattu waterfalls. After that, I guess I'm coming for the second time in this route. Yeah, for Pallegattu waterfalls, we took a left from here. So the destination we are going is called as Vizag Colony, which is kind of a backwaters for a lake or a river stream, I guess. I'll show you the place once I reach there. This kind of town roads, so should be careful near the U-turns. People come off. Without seeing the oncoming traffic, so should be cautious. Yesterday night it rained, so I thought it might rain in the morning, and I wore rain liner pants, because after wearing boots it's hard to put on the rain liners. So I guess today we'll be done with 8,000 kilometers. Yeah, first year, half of the year went off in lockdown. Rather, I would say more than half, because of the lockdown and the restrictions. Only one long ride I got is being to Kerala. That was in December. Again, I'm planning for one ride. I guess maybe it will be for 3 or 4 days. Should be mostly to Tirupati, again with my brother-in-law. And later towards the year end again we'll plan something. Let's hope we have some good trips. Sun is out, bright and shining. Stand తీలేదు చూడండి. Oh man, I missed half of the part. I missed half of the, what you call, capturing the roads because of my GoPro battery. I stopped by and changed to the new one. I can't miss this scenic locations, man. The fellow riders went ahead. I should catch them up. Ooh, look at this, beautiful. The city part I can delete and ignore, but this one, like, it's superb. Just 9 kilometers to go. Look at this place, man. Amazing. മതിയാവും, അതൊന്നും കുഴപ്പമില്ല. നല്ല റോഡല്ലേ? അടിപൊളി. What more can you ask for? Worth it. The ride is worth it. At least this last stretch is totally worth. Look at that place. నా మధ్య రోడ్లో ఆపేసి హ్యాపీగా మొబైల్ చూసుకుంటున్నాం. ఊరు మీదిలే. Xerox. This peak is superb. It's like a pyramid. People are looking at us like, who are these aliens? Whoever comes here, please don't spoil this location by throwing waste and plastic. Fishermen's boats are there. You definitely get the stinking smell of the fish. This is the location, Vizag colony. It's a kind of backwaters. ఏమేం చేపలు ఉంటాయన్నా ఇక్కడ? ఏమేం చేపలు దొరుకుతాయి? ఇవే ఉంటాయా? So this is called as Vizag colony. It has some backwaters and there are fishermen groups. They approach you for the boating. I guess they charge 200 per head or something. Yeah, if you are interested you can do that. Scenic place. During monsoon peak monsoons, I guess, the water goes till there, but as of now the shore has become big because the water level is less. So apparently they said they'll take through this way to some place where there is kind of sand. It looks like a beach. Yeah, but with these riding gears and all, we weren't pretty much interested, so we didn't go for it. Yeah, that's my bike. So we are planning to leave